Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin Frizz. ODOT joined the Ohio State Highway Patrol and other roadside workers for a Move Over Law event in the Youngstown area last week.
20 cones were set up to represent the 19 people killed in work zones last year and ODOT employee John Pasco, who unfortunately was killed earlier this year while working along I-680 in Youngstown.
Me and my ODOT family will be out there to make sure that you and your family are safe on the roads. So I ask you, please slow down and move over to keep our family safe.
Ohio's Move Over Law requires drivers to move over a lane, or if that's not an option, slow down when they see a vehicle with flashing lights on the side of the road. 162 ODOT workers unfortunately have been killed on the job.
It's not just the law, it's also the right thing to do, so please do that for our folks. The only major tunnel on ODOT's system is in Cincinnati. The Lytle Tunnel carries I-71 under Lytle Park. Of course, safety is always the top priority, and a traffic crash in a tunnel can sometimes present some pretty unique challenges. For example, a fire. But don't worry, we've got a plan for handling that. These large fans are in place to quickly vent any smoke out of the tunnel, keeping anyone inside safe. This past weekend, our crews had to shut down the interstate to test and adjust the fans to make sure they're in top shape should they ever be needed.
The US 33 Smart Mobility Corridor isn't just for autonomous and connected vehicles. Our Hunu guru explains there's another smart corridor being developed just a few hundred feet above.
You know, there's no better place than Ohio to design, test, and deploy smart mobility technologies. And beginning next month, Drive Ohio will join several other partners, including the Ohio State University College of Engineering, to launch a 3-year, $5.9 million project to use drones to monitor traffic on US 33 between Dublin and East Liberty. My man, Fred Judson, he heads our Drive Ohio UAS Center in Springfield, where they're working to advance this emerging technology. So Fred, tell me more about the project, man.
This project will help us explore the intersection between connected and autonomous vehicles, both on the ground and in the air. That way we can better respond to traffic incidences along the roadway.
That's so cool, Fred. So how's it all going to work, man?
Yeah, so say there's a crash on 33. We'll be able to launch a drone, provide real-time video back to our traffic operations center to get better information so we can react quicker and with the appropriate equipment.
Ah, very cool. So I understand there's another component to all this, right?
It's estimated that there's around 5,000 manned aircraft in the sky at any given time, and with the growing number of drones in the air, this research project will help us manage both those to make sure that there isn't any incidences between the two.
Cool. So we're managing traffic along this corridor, on the ground, and in the sky. That's so cool, man. Who knew?
I did.
So this week we go back to the future with our safety message on 130 digital message boards across the state.
Great Scott!
We sure are, Beth, and we're also looking for a 4th of July safety message, so submit your best drinking and driving messages to prevent motorists from driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Submit your message at zerodeaths.ohio.gov.
All right, and get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Check us out on social media. And we always love your great ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And keep great videos coming like this one from District 8.